Hello and welcome to my channel. This is fourth video on exception handling tutorial series wherein we will see how to handle specific exception when it is raised from try block. A single try block can have multiple except block. We will also see example of handling multiple exception using multiple except blocks. Example of handling multiple exception using single except block having different syntax. Let's start. Here in the first shell, you have syntax of try and except block wherein a single try block can have multiple except block. It is handling each except block is handling exception of specific type wherein in front of except you have information of the exception object which will be caught. So type of exception object. For example, this can be value error, this can be divide by zero error, this can be stop iteration error and so on. Let us understand this by example. This is the example of code wherein we can throw inside the try block we can throw multiple exception and you have multiple except block for handling those exception. So inside the try block you have a code which can throw an exception. Inside the except block you have type of exception object can be caught. Here zero division error object will be caught. Alias will be given to it as E, and in the error handling routine we will use E to print the information. You have one more exception block except value error type of exception object which can be caught in this block is value error. We will give it a alias E and print the information of E inside the except block. If this block throws any other exception apart from zero division error and value error, exception object of that error will be caught in the last except block. In front of it we haven't given any exception object information. Therefore inside the error handling routine we are printing caught unknown exception. Click on the cell and run the cell. When you provide incorrect input, this will invoke a value error. Here when input enter any number, we have entered a string. When you want to convert a string into int, it will throw an error. It will be caught by the except block of value error only. That block will be executed and our program will end. Rest of the except block will be skipped. Here we are executing a specific exception inside a except block which is value error. Information of that error is printed on the user screen. Invalid literal for int with base 10 and string information which we have passed PAR. In the next execution we are giving first input as 10, second input as 0. It raises a specific, it creates an exception object with zero division error. That object is caught in the first except block which has a object type zero division error. It accepts it and store it in, give it a alias E, and inside the block we printed the information of E. Rest of the except block will not be executed and we will end our program. In the third execution, we haven't given any incorrect information. Therefore, your program ran successfully and when came out of it. Moving to the next part, wherein we will see how to handle multiple exception in a single except block having specific exception name which it can handle specified. So inside the try block you will have code of the try block. Inside except block you have except in front of it in opening and closing parenthesis. In square bracket you have name of exceptions which it can handle, means exception object which it can catch and error handler routine for those exceptions. So in the try block you contain code which may throw an exception. In the except block, in opening parenthesis, you have type of object which it can exception object which it can catch. Zero division error, value error. You can have multiple error object according to your program. Give only one of the object at one time, only one of the type of object will be caught. Given it will be given a alias e, and inside the error handling routine we will process e for printing the information about the error. Click on the cell and run the cell. We provide incorrect input, value error will be printed. See, in this case only value error object was caught, it was given a alias e and it was printed on the user screen. Click on the cell and run the cell. You give first example as first input as 10, second input as 0. Now zero division exception was thrown from try block. It was caught by zero division error object, given name alias as e, and in the error handler routine we have printed the information of e, which is a divide by 0 error. So in this video we have seen how to handle a specific exception inside the except block. We have also seen a single try block can have multiple except block. We have seen how to handle multiple exception using multiple except block and single except block handling specific exceptions. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.